Hello my friends, back with another video today, the second one, and I just wanted to talk about the D6, okay, all the rumors that it's going to be released tomorrow. I was on online doing some research, and I'm really interested about this DSLR and this new version of the D series that's going to be released. It looks like tomorrow is going to be the day where they're going to make an announcement and say that it's actually officially being released, but I'd like to talk and get the conversation going with the real professionals here, the guys on my channel that their business is paying for their gear, and ask you, are you guys excited about the D6? Are you actually going to buy it over the next version of the mirrorless camera? So the D6, yeah, that's gonna come out probably sooner than the next higher level Z camera, but it looks like the Z8's on the horizon, and I'm just wondering why you would go and spend the $6,000 on the DSLR when the major improvements with the mirrorless are already here, and it looks like there's going to be even a higher professional line of Z cameras coming out even sooner. So, the D6, it looks like freaking sweet. I mean, it's going to have in-body image stabilization in it. It looks like it's going to have dual XQD CF card slots, which is awesome. And it looks like there's going to be some improvements in video. But I mean, there's obvious greater advantages to mirrorless over DSLR, and I feel like I've made videos on this before. I feel like mirrorless is the future, and that's what we're evolving towards. So I'm just wondering who is going to spend the money on this D6, and and I'm not judging, I'm just generally curious, and I want to get the conversation going to kind of see if this is maybe the last DSLR line you're going to stay in, or if you're going to go into that mirrorless series, or wait for the Z8 to come out, or kind of a higher level Nikon Z before you get your next body. Because you guys know how I feel. I'm fully invested in the Z line. Mirrorless, I believe, is the absolute best. The benefits are kind of I've made plenty of videos on it, but I would never buy another DSLR again, but I'm kind of just interested in the D6 buyers, where you guys are at and why you guys are going to do it. So yeah, drop it in the comments and just kind of let me know, because the improvements look awesome, and it's probably, I'm sure it's going to be a phenomenal camera, but I just don't see how much of an improvement it's going to be over the next mirrorless camera that's coming out in the Z line. So yeah, if you guys could let me know that, and hopefully we can get the conversation going and talking, kind of back and forth about the pros and cons of it, because I kind of like this DSLR mirrorless kind of debate that we're having and where we're at with it, because it's cool. I'm not on I like the mirrorless bodies, but I also like hearing about the pros and what you guys think about the DSLRs and why you're still hanging on to that technology, because you guys contribute just as much information to me as I do to you. So it's cool to get the conversation going. Appreciate everybody's been listening to the podcast. We've got some phenomenal feedback, and we've got some great constructive criticism too about how we can improve, me and Sarah, and our presentation and all that, and we're taking it to heart. So you guys are awesome. Yeah, let me know about the D6, guys, and until the next video.